Hi, I am Camden, and me and my dad, we built this kit, and you can also see that we made it like with solder, like right here. You can see the solder and everything. We just now made it, and it's kind of like Simon. It's supposed to be like a game, and let's see, watch, you can just. Yes. Oh, is this one? Is this one? Is this one?
Nice job, though.
Okay, and it like beeps like that when it kind of beeps like a kitchen timer when you're like when you do something wrong. Okay. You can see that this is like the little little beeper. This is like the memory, like that holds all the like what's supposed to do. So if I press like one button, it knows what to do and everything. So I'm just gonna feel it though. There. Okay. And then you can see like everything, like even we didn't solder everything like because the battery thing, we like took this like we had to screw it on with like yeah.
So do you know the name of some of those parts? Like what's that?
This.
Mm-hmm.
This is a resistor. Okay.
Yep.
And this is a capacitor.
And that?
Is a
Diode.
diode.
And what about that?
This is I forgot that one too.
Transistor.
Okay. This one buzzer, and this one I have no clue.
IC. Yep. Good
Also,
job.
and I was like, I remember I was like IC.
Yep, that's the IC.
The things are in signal lights.
Yeah, there's circuits for signal lights too, yep. And all of our televisions and everything has IC. Cool. Good job, Camden. Great job.